Hey, I'm Brodie, and today I want to show you some tips and tricks for getting the absolute best extractions out of your Picopresso. For the Picopresso, you'll want a fine espresso grind. If you're using the Exagrind grinder, turn the dial clockwise towards the smaller lines on the right for a finer grind. We recommend going all the way to 0 on the right and then starting at around 13 to 15 clicks counterclockwise and adjusting from there based on results. This is a fine grind. This is a medium fine grind. And this is a coarse grind. You'll want to start out here in the middle and then adjust in either direction depending on how the particular roast is performing in your Picopresso. Always weigh out your beans and ground coffee. We recommend starting at 18 grams for the Picopresso in the stock basket. Be sure to use the included WDT tool to break up any large clumps so you get even distribution and prevent channeling. Also use the included tamp, and we recommend tamping with the dosing ring on as a guide. Noticing espresso from the stock basket is a bit too strong for you? We offer a 12-gram basket for lower doses, and the stock basket easily fits 18 grams. We recommend a pre-infusion of at least 10 seconds. You can experiment with longer infusion times from 30 seconds to 60 seconds or more depending on your roast and grind and preferences. If you're not getting the results you want and the extraction seems difficult, sometimes a longer pre-infusion will allow the puck to saturate more and allow you to pump more easily. Pump slow and methodically, 1 second per pump, and go by feel to keep the pressure consistent. If sputtering occurs, you're likely building up too much pressure. If the stream is looking thin, you're likely not building up enough pressure and should either pump faster or grind finer. We recommend timing and weighing your espresso during extraction with our Exagram scale. 30 seconds of extraction time after pre-infusion and a 1:2 or 1:3 ratio are good benchmarks to start with. An example of a 1:2 ratio would be 18 grams of coffee in to 36 grams of espresso out in the cup. Crema on top of your espresso is a good indicator of how your extraction went. Too dark usually means too long of an extraction, and light and thin indicates too short or a watery extraction. This can be also dependent on how long off the roast date your beans are, and this is not the be all and end all of a good cup. Taste is always the most important.